Yeah, guys, we're back to it again. This is a piece of art that I did previously. You can go and check the video. It's in the card up here. Yeah, so I'll not be doing this. Let's put this away. Today I'll be trying myself out. I'll try to draw this piece of art in pencil and see what I can come up with under 10 minutes. So let me just get my tools ready and my several pencils. By the way, if you can't find several pencils, it's fine to just use a single pencil. Even me, I have several pencils, but I don't use most of them in all my art pieces. So it's fine to just use a single pencil. Without wasting time, let's start making this art piece, and I'll be timing myself, so let's go. We'll start with drawing the head, obviously up to bottom. I'll make a little shape of the head. This is too big. Let me rub it, and it's at the center of the page. It won't be proportional. Yeah, so let's draw it up here. So you just start with the head and draw the little chin faster. Now the time is not on my side. Obviously I can't draw slow or be exact with the dimensions. I'll do the shoulders, the left shoulder of the art piece and also the right shoulder of the art piece. Yeah, the hands, seeing the hands cross each other, it's like he was hugging himself. Yeah, so we do that. And also the peel, the banana peel, we do it. The curves, just have to be keen with the curves and make them look a little bit realistic and smooth. Yeah, I think this Photoshop was about a guy being born again, peeling himself anew. Yeah, so we go to the down body part, the dude. Yeah, just make the edges first, little sketch. I know it's not looking quite great yet because I'm just on the sketching bit first. Yeah, as we were saying, the Photoshop or the artwork, the creativity behind it was. I think the meaning behind this was, let's say, you should not be afraid of changing who you are. Sometimes you need to peel the old you to create space for the new you. Yeah, so I think on a shallow basis, that is the meaning of this piece of art. I would like to know what you guys think in the comment section. So yeah, so the peel, you've seen me making that back peel. Yeah, so I'm gonna work on the hand a little bit, just making the peel at the back side of this art. Also extrapolate. Yeah, also just as I said, working on the hands right there, completing the hands, since the guy looks like he was hugging himself. Yeah, and also the right hand, which also crosses through the body of this dude or this artwork. Yeah, guys, this is not the usual video I'm used to making, but I'm planning to make several of these video, just challenging myself, trying out new things, amazing things, crazy things, and wonderful bizarre things. Yeah, and also testing my creativity. I won't be doing the exact copy of the art pieces or photoshopped photos or the exact copy of the reference photos. Yeah, I'll be twisting them up and playing with my creativity. As you know, art is open to anything. I won't just be doing copy pasting, even though I'm timing myself and seeing if I could do the exact thing under a certain period of time. Yeah, so I'll just make these edges of these the edges of these peeling, yeah, make the peeling extrapolated and a little bit 3D. And also the muscle, slightly defining the muscle. I think the neck is a little bit small. I'll enlarge it, the neck part of the cloth. Yeah, working on the edges slightly, making them a little bit thick and clear. Making them a little bit thick and clear. Working on the belt here a little. Remember, it's just a sketch, guys. There's no need of being extra hyper realistic. Yeah, so I'll zoom in here and let you see me work on the hair. And yeah, I'll use a different pencil, a little bit different, since the pencil that I was using it was not sharp enough to make some of these edges. Yeah, that's also another trick about drawing. You need sharp edges to make certain edges, and not also to make certain parts of your art piece pop more than others. So yeah, I think here on the waist I made the bottom part of the body too long, so I'll just get creative with this and add something like a boxer or a short. So we'll imagine that the dude was wearing a short inside the trouser, just to break the length of the bottom part of the body. It was looking so unrealistic. As you can see, there's a great difference with me doing that. And yeah, sometimes things like that happen. It's art. You can twist anything, you can mold anything into anything, as long as you're not getting a portrait. This is not an exact portrait, or I'm not doing a hyper realistic piece of art, so there's no harm in adding a little twist in it. Yeah, let me know in the comment section if you guys love the twist or the added detail down there. I would really appreciate it. Yeah, so guys, I won't say that I'm not a pro artist. I'm just a guy trying to do art, and yeah, just express my art, learn new things, explore certain things, and also share with the world, share with you guys, and hear from you guys what you think of the art. And that is it. I'm not a pro artist. I don't claim myself to know how to draw than anybody else. Yeah, so I'm on the last stages. Time is running out. I'm working on the last stages, just making the edges more thick and more visible, summing up with this piece of art. I don't think I managed to capture every single detail of the portrait yet, but yeah, this is what I could come up with under 10 minutes. And I think I'll add a little shading here to define the abs, and yeah, the peeling of the right side of the dude. Yeah, a little bit of that, I think, before time runs out on me. Yeah, and I think that is it, guys. What do you guys think? Is it nice, or it's just shallow work done? I can do better. What do you think? I think I did not my best, but it's there, considering that I made this drawing and I mean it's not close to the original one, but yeah, I'll be working on it or finishing it later on, so that you may see how the exact thing would look like after taking some time, adding the little details, the shading, the tiny little bit of it. Yeah, and with that, guys, we come to the end of this video. If you like the video, if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and also hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified whenever I post. I'm trying to improve on my drawing and my video editing and my storytelling process. So guys, just bear with me, bear with me. I'll be trying to improve on little things, so stick around. Bye bye.